all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Hello and welcome to News 9 Digital. I am Jyoti Jha. On July 28, late actor Sushant Singh Rajput's father, KK Singh, filed an FIR against Rhea Chakrabarti, who happened to be SSR's girlfriend, with some serious allegations. Here is all you need to know. Initially, the investigation was taken care by the Mumbai police. But now the case has taken a dramatic change, especially after KK Singh filed an FIR against Rhea Chakrabarti. Let's see what all allegations he had to put against the actor in a 3-page long complaint letter. Starting with, KK Singh accused Rhea of abetting the late actor's suicide, which means he thinks that Rhea Chakrabarti had a role to play and she forced Sushant Singh Rajput to commit suicide. KK Singh also thinks that Rhea allegedly used Sushant Singh Rajput's contacts to make a career in the film industry. So the father thinks that Rhea Chakrabarti came in contact with Sushant Singh Rajput only for her benefit and she made use of him and his contacts. Thirdly, he said that Rhea Chakrabarti and her family members forced him to move out of the house he was living in, saying that some paranormal activities were going on. This impacted Sushant Singh Rajput. They also said that about 15 crore rupees was transferred from Sushant Singh's bank account to a few other bank accounts. Now, talking about why such a whopping amount was transferred from Sushant Singh's account, they're saying that Rhea Chakrabarti, her brother and Sushant Singh were planning on opening a new business for which the money was needed. Moving on, KK Singh also said that the family members of Sushant Singh Rajput were not consulted for SSR's treatment. Now, the Bihar police has filed an FIR on the basis of wrongful restraint, wrongful confinement, theft in dwelling house, criminal breach of trust, cheating and dishonestly inducing delivery of property. Now, there are so many reports and claims which are doing rounds on the internet. Beginning with, Sushant Singh Rajput was unhappy. Now, this statement was apparently given by Ankita Lokhande, who was Sushant Singh Rajput's ex-girlfriend. Now, Ankita Lokhande had reportedly informed the Bihar police that the late actor was quite unhappy because Rhea Chakrabarti harassed him. There are also reports that somebody in Mumbai police is helping Rhea Chakrabarti. Now, Sushant Singh's family lawyer Vikas Singh has reportedly alleged that somebody in the Mumbai police is helping Rhea Chakrabarti. Now, these are the allegations against Rhea Chakrabarti. Talking about the latest developments, the actor has filed a petition in Supreme Court seeking transfer of investigation in Sushant Singh Rajput's death to Mumbai police. The Home Minister of Maharashtra, Anil Deshmukh, said no to CBI inquiry into SSR's case. Special team from Bihar to interrogate banks, Sushant Singh Rajput's CA and maybe Ankita Lokhande as well. There were also reports that actor Rhea Chakrabarti is missing from her apartment, but the police cleared the air and said that she is not missing and she is in contact with the police. Now, these were just a few allegations against Rhea Chakrabarti. KK Singh has also said that Rhea Chakrabarti did not let Sushant Singh Rajput talk to his family members. They could never contact him. He was not allowed to visit Bihar or Patna to meet his family members. They are also saying that she has taken away Sushant Singh Rajput's medical reports. They are also claiming that Sushant Singh Rajput wanted to quit Bollywood and go join his friend in organic farming in Kerala. But again, they are alleging that Rhea Chakrabarti harassed and threatened Sushant Singh Rajput. She blackmailed him, saying if he will do so, she will leak his medical report and prove that he is mentally sick and destroy his career for the rest of his life. Now, these are some serious allegations and Rhea Chakrabarti has to go through the interrogation to clear the air. And now it needs to be seen that if Mumbai police or the Bihar police try to solve this mysterious sudden demise of Sushant Singh Rajput. Now, a lot of people are also asking for CBI probe into SSR's case, but time and again, Maharashtra government and people like Anil Deshmukh have been saying that it is not required and that Mumbai police will take care of the case. Let us know what do you think about KK Singh's allegations against Rhea Chakrabarti. Do you agree with him or not? Just put it all in our comment section. In the meantime, like, share and subscribe to News 9 Digital. Thank you for watching.